this tutorial, I will demonstrate the procedure for resetting Siri on your iPhone. Begin by accessing the settings on your phone. Once the settings are open, locate the Siri and Search section and tap on it. You will be presented with a range of options. However, we will select the Listen for Hey Siri option. Here, tap on the Off option. Next, we will disable the dictation feature in the General settings. Once you have opened the General settings, locate the Keyboard option and tap on it. Scroll through the options until you find the Dictation section and turn off the Enable Dictation option. After completing these steps, it is time to reset Siri. Return to the Home settings screen and select the Siri section from the list. Find the Siri and Dictation History option and tap on it. Here, tap on the Delete Siri and Dictation History button and confirm your choice by tapping the Delete button. Finally, we need to turn Siri back on. Go back a step and select the Listen for Hey Siri option. Choose the way you want the speaker to respond, and the home screen will appear, allowing you to set up and use Siri again.